All right, boys, and that is how round of 32 comes to an end. 16 teams remain in this competition. We have witnessed some of the best games in this knockout phase so far, and you can only assume that things are going to get better, man. The games are going to get better, right? All right, so let's quickly review some of these games and predict how they could possibly go, right? Paraguay, they were very fortunate to face a very, very poor Germany side, right? They took them to penalties and fortune favored them. They eventually won, but they come up against the best team in this competition. I don't think anyone from this side of the pool is going to stop France, probably in the finals when they meet Argentina again. So yeah, if France are going through there, and then you have Canada facing Morocco, right? Obviously, Canada, they beat us to advance. Morocco now, but they won on penalties against Netherlands. And to be fair, I think Morocco have proven themselves to be a very, very good quality team, right? They've drawn against Brazil, they've drawn against the Netherlands, and overall, they've shown more quality than Canada. And for those reasons, I think they are the ones who are going to advance to the quarterfinals to face France there. And then the fixture of the round is the European derby there between Portugal and Spain. I mean, Portugal also, they narrowly escaped against Croatia, right? A very experienced side in this competition. They come up against Spain, who are yet to concede a goal in this tournament. I don't think Spain have faced that many challenging opponents, man. Uruguay, they were off color. That was the strongest team in their group. Also, Cape Verde. That was the only team that managed to take away points from Spain. They comfortably breezed past Austria in the round of 32, right? So they find themselves against Portugal. I'm putting my money on Spain, man. I do not want to see Portugal and Ronaldo advancing any further in this competition. And then USA face Belgium. Another narrow escape from Belgium. They are not convincing at all. And I think USA are still riding that wave of being hosts. Everything seems to be going well for them. But they were dealt a huge blow because their top goal scorer, Balogun, someone who's been winning most of their games, is out with the red card, right? So that could be a challenge there. It's very tricky to decide this one, but I think USA are going to advance. And then another tricky fixture, this one. Brazil up against Norway. Norway are one of the dark horses in this tournament. Very, very solid side in all departments, right? They have a goal scorer there in front of Haaland who can rescue them from all kinds of situations. Over the years, we've seen Brazil stumble and fall in these phases of the competition, right? But they seem to be getting their groove back together. Most of their players are getting form. Above Vinicius, Bruno Guimaraes, Casemiro contributing with the goals. And they have the bench, they have the substitutes because when they needed to, they introduced Martinelli, who gave them the winning goal. I don't know how to decide this one, man. I'll leave it to you guys to predict. And then you have Mexico versus England. Yeah, I think this is where the wave of being hosts comes to an end. Mexico are going to be swept aside here. There's an interesting record, by the way, that England have not lost when playing against Mexico at the Azteca Stadium in 16 years or something. So I think that record is going to continue there. And then you have Argentina, of course, who have just beaten Cape Verde, a team that took them to extra time. They are up against Egypt. Egypt are doing very well. Only one of two African countries actually to advance through to the next round. Question is, can they get the job done against Argentina and pull off an incredible upset? They are certainly capable of that, but I think Argentina are just too locked in now to slip to Egypt, so they will advance. And then finally, you have Switzerland up against Colombia. You see, Colombia, I'm telling you now, bruh, it was a Cape Verde that I was worried about in this bracket, right? But now, these are the guys I'm seriously worried about. If there's anyone who knows how to beat Argentina, it's these guys. I'm certainly putting my money on them, man. Anasga El Chapo. I think they are going to advance. So yeah, tell me what you think in the comment section. Who do you fancy to advance to the next round? The quarterfinals. It's getting closer and closer. 19th of June is when we'll see the two finalists come together to claim the ultimate prize, the FIFA World Cup, man. Exciting times to be alive. Fuck, I'm so tired. Thanks for watching. If you got this far, please comment. GOAT. Thank you. Bye.